Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with our today's video. On a circular sheet, you have to draw this first. After drawing this, you can simply paste them over here. And after pasting them, you can place beak and eye of this hen. The groundnuts are to be emptied and then they are to be placed on the sheet in the manner as shown. Take some leaves too and place them on the sheet too. The glass has to be cutted in this direction. After the glass has been cutted, you can simply roll it. After rolling it, all the strips has to be rolled and then a thin strip of green color is to be applied over here. This happy flower is ready. On this sheet, color the bubbles with different colors. After coloring them, you can paste this over here and then paste another paper over the margins. After placing them like this, you can complete the outlook by placing some another sheets of paper like this. And this is done. Take a sheet of pink color and start rolling it in the manner as shown. After cutting it in this direction, you can simply open it and observe that how beautiful and how curly these patterns of flowers are. This pattern has been completed. Now take another strip of sheet and roll it inside the flower. Take green sheet and the stem of this flower is to be made like this. Make some leaves too. On a black sheet, draw this with the help of a marker. Take orange peels and peel them in this short forms. After doing that, you can simply apply them over here and you can use various color of sheets for the outer look of this drawing. See how beautiful these beetles and this drawing look. Take a sheet of pink color and after breaking that, you have to roll it like this. Fold them and follow the process that is being given. You can see that how wonderfully it has been rolled and now this shape has to be peeled from the top. Peel it gently so that the paper will not tear and after peeling it, you can simply insert green stems around it. Take a heart shape of a cardboard and then start rolling it over the glue. And after pasting glue on it, you can simply roll them like this. After rolling it, see how beautiful this heart looks. Place some stars too over it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.